All Aussie adventures, pack up your swag, let's go. All Aussie adventures. But I cleaned out the fridge. Okay, the cooler in the front fridge and the back fridge. Yeah, I cleaned out the fridge. Hey, this song ain't over. I think I wrote the best damn fridge of all time. Started cleaning out the fridge. Came across a beer. Had to tip them back till the bottom rack was clear. Then I had a thought, out in the garage. Should open that Yeti, start polishing it all. I didn't cross a single thing that I had off my list, but I cleaned out the fridge. Pretty good day. Okay, the
said you'd never make it, but you finally came through. For all of you who made it, this one's made for you. Made for you. This one's made for you. You've made it through, and this one's made for you.
Yep, good on you. Dumbass.
You're down when you're riding the train. That thing
Where's your plate? Dumbass. Run the red. Dumbass. Another one for Scotty.
It fits! Damn thing fits! I thought there were no more spaces. Am I an idiot or what?
Fucking stupid dickhead. Fucking hell. Who am I?
What, a horse?
Fuck me, that bus just went through a total red fucking light. Totally fucking red.
Totally?
Totally.
About was because of the delays for Brian Wilson in creating pet sounds.
He wasn't really that close to finishing, and they had been bugging him so much.
1 minute later.
You have a way with words.
Fuck.
know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Drivers. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dash cam!
I feel like a two-ease. I feel like a two-ease or two. I feel like a two-ease or two.
Oh my god!
Authorised by the Victorian Government, Melbourne. Thanks so much for coming over. Everyone remembers a new privacy. Especially...
What an asshole!
Here comes Karen!
You ever watch Lex Friedman's podcast? I've seen clips.
That's a red light.
I'm supposed to do it, but I don't think I can.
Three of you dumbasses.
Be in Red Rocks. He has the.
someone you love is never easy. White Lady Funerals offers the highest quality care from strong, supportive women. whiteladyfunerals.com.au
Jesus Christ.
Possible re-inclusion. If True Brown will be used to put pressure on the kicking game of Penrith's Nathan Cleary, and Tyson Fury is declared